I'm Katie Tarasov here at Nvidia's annual GTC Developer Conference in San Jose, California, where CNBC will have live coverage throughout the event. I'm on the showroom floor where hundreds of companies are showing off products powered by Nvidia's chips and technologies, including a lot of robots.
110 robots here. Almost every single company in the world, I can't think of one, that are building robots is working with Nvidia.
Humanoid robots from companies like Unitree, Booster, and Limex greeted me on the way in today. But the star event was, of course, CEO Jensen Huang's keynote.
I just want to remind you, this is a tech conference.
Nvidia's graphics processing units, GPUs, have proven absolutely crucial for powering generative AI, making the Silicon Valley giant the first ever to reach a $5 trillion market value last year. But now, agentic AI is shifting compute needs, and Nvidia is shifting strategy to match. It showed off a rack filled only with its central processing units, CPUs, at GTC this week. The more modest host chips usually act in a supporting role for GPUs, but have suddenly found themselves in the limelight, creating an industry-wide renaissance as Nvidia says CPUs could be the next bottleneck for AI. Huang unveiled a new Grok language processing unit in his keynote Monday. Built on technology acquired with Nvidia's largest purchase to date, $20 billion for Grok's assets in December, the new LPU has a single-core, purpose-built for speeding up the GPU. It's expected to ship in the third quarter of 2026 and be integrated into a brand new rack dedicated to housing 256 of the new chips, increasing the token per watt performance of Rubin GPUs in the neighboring Vera Rubin rack 35 times.
We unified two processors of extreme differences, one for high throughput, one for low latency. It still doesn't change the fact that we need a lot of memory. And so Grok, we're just going to add a whole bunch of Grok chips, which expands the amount of memory it has.
He also gave a sneak peek of this, Nvidia's Kyber architecture that will be available in the next Vera Rubin Ultra rack scale system shipping in 2027. It totally changes the game for rack scale systems by flipping the compute trays on their side to allow extreme density and much lower latency. Huang also met with reporters for a private Q&A session Tuesday.
We've been licensed for many customers in China for H200. We have received purchase orders from many customers, and we're in the process of restarting our manufacturing. And so that's new news for all of you, and it's different than it was 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago, but that's our condition today. And our supply chain is getting fired up, and so all of you will likely start to hear about that.